All right, now I'm going to draw into position 2. He's going to get his body offline because if he grabs me from here, go back to front. If you grab me from here, I'm going to get my first shot off free, pop in his chest. My weapon's now out of battery, but he's got a shot in his chest. Clear my slide and just take another shot if I need to. So I'm going to be here. He's going to get his body offline, control my weapon. Same thing. I'm going to get some sort of strike off. Right now I see his leg. I'm going to go boom. And then, just like in the previous videos on this, I'm going to control my weapon with both hands. I'm going to use my elbow into him, never crossing my own body with my gun. Here, you grab me from the other side so we can see that. So he's here. I'm going to take that shot. Boom. I'm going to secure my weapon with both hands, use my elbow, make space. All right, one more time. On this side, we're going to go a little bit faster. Boom. I'm David Sleeper from Mo Sleeper Tactical. Join me as I seek to equip myself and others to fight the good fight and finish the race well through fighting skills, weapon skills, and an unrelenting dedication to truth.